Hello friends, in the previous lecture we have discussed about break-even analysis. Okay, so in break-even analysis what we are going to do, we are going to find out the break-even point where there is no loss, there is no profit. So break-even point in which we are going to draw two lines, that is the cost line as well as revenue line, expenditure and income. Now next is your budgetary control. Budgetary control is a technique in which all the operations are planned in advance in the form of budgets and actual results are compared with the budgetary standard, in which it helps the budgetary control will help to take necessary action so that the organization objectives are accomplished. A budget is a quantitative statement for a definite future period of time for the purpose of obtaining the given objective. It will contain figures of forecast both in terms of time and quantities. Now, we are going to discuss what are the advantages of budgeting. Budgeting focus on the specific and time-bound target and thus help in attainment of the organizational objective. Budgeting is a source of motivation to employees who know the standard against which their performance will be appraised and thus enables them to perform better. Budgeting helps in optimum utilization of the resources by allocating them according to the requirement of the different departments. Budgeting is also used for achieving the coordination among the different departments of an organization and highlight the interdependence between them. For instance, the sale budget cannot be prepared without knowing the production program and the schedule. Budgeting also facilitates management by exception by stressing on those operations which deviates from budget standards in the significant way. So these are certain advantages of budgeting. Now, what are the controlling tools which are used for budgeting? So return on investment is one of the most important thing that we have discussed in the previous lecture. What is return on investment? So whatever the investment you have done, in how many months or how many years you are going to just return, get it return. जसं मी जर 1,00,000 रुपये स्पेंड केलेले आहे आणि मला महिन्याला 10,000 रुपये मिळत आहे तर माझा रिटर्न ऑन इन्व्हेस्टमेंट टाइम किती झालं आहे 10 महिने. Okay, so this is my return on investment. Then ratio analysis, we are going to find out the various financial ratios for there. Then responsibility accounting, कोणाला responsibility दिलेली आहे आणि त्याच्यावर आपण ते कंट्रोल करतो याच्यावर. Audit, management audit, then PERT and CPM. These are two very important things. CPM stands for critical path methods. Okay, and program evaluation and review techniques. These are the two techniques used for controlling these. And management information system. So these are some controlling methods used in the budgetary control, or these are overall controlling methods which you are going to use over there. So this is all about your controlling